Students, hope you all are good. Today we will discuss about difference between primary and secondary memory, or how does a computer work. First, we discuss differences between primary and secondary memory. These are the differences. Primary memory, it refers to the main memory such as random access memory. Means primary memory is also known as main memory, and main memory is also known as random access memory. Secondary storage, it refers to a auxiliary memory, external memory or secondary memory. Second is it holds data or instructions that are currently in use. Means it holds running programs, instructions or data only. Secondary memory, it is used to store and retrieve data or information on a long-term basis. Use secondary storage. Primary memory is a volatile memory. Secondary memory is a non-volatile memory. Data is directly accessed by the CPU in primary memory or not directly accessed by CPU in secondary memory. Data is lost when the device loses power. Data is intact. Intact means not lost even when the device loses power. Example of primary memory: RAM, ROM, and example of secondary memory: hard disk drives. Example of primary memory: HDD, hard disk drive; CD, compact disc; DVD, digital versatile disc or digital video disc; floppy disk, flash drive, etc. These are the examples of secondary memory. Now come on second topic, which is how to work a computer. Computer work in three stages, which are input, processing and output. These three stages are compulsory for performing any task or running a program in computer. Input. Input is a set of instructions. These are the three stages which are very important. Input is a instruction of set of instructions which tells the processor what to do and produce output. These are the three basic steps which are used to running a program or a instruction in a computer. One by one we are discussing. Input devices. Input devices, for we use keyboard and mouse, which are commonly used input devices. Input devices give the instruction to the processor to what work it do. Processor. The processor is a follow the instruction which are given by the input, and it produce output which is belong to the input. If the input is garbage value, the output will be garbage. GIGO. GIGO is the full form is garbage in and garbage out. It is also important. Output device. The output device, commonly used output devices are screen, monitor or visual display unit. Visual display unit, VDU. Output devices are used to display the outputs. A printer also an output device which is used to produce output in hard copy form. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will do exercise, book exercise and hard words. Thank you.